If you're looking for a planning software that is free and you no longer want to use Doodle because it requires a subscription, this video will show you a nice alternative. I came across this tool called Strawpoll. This tool is essentially the same as Doodle, however, it does not require a subscription and is absolutely free to use. Simply go to strawpoll.com and create either a poll or a meeting. On strawpoll.com you can either create a poll where you can measure people's opinion whether to do A, B or C, for example, or you can schedule a meeting to find out which time of day or which day in the calendar most people are available. Today I want to use the option Schedule a Meeting to find the best date for an event. I give the meeting a title and a location. I pick a couple of days that the members from the group can choose from. I let the members of the group know which days I'm available, unavailable, or maybe available. Under the text "Share this poll" there is a link address I can copy and send to my friends that enables them to go in and vote on this poll as well. Finally, everyone in the group have answered the poll. It is now much easier for us to find a day where we all are able to go. I hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to support, please like or subscribe.